Students and people in general have a hard time keeping themselves organized and on task. Our new software solution, the Duebot, is a planning program that allows users to create and add tasks that they have to get done. Once complete, they can check off the tasks. This program is available on both a website and as a Discord bot that they can install on their Discord servers. The website and Discord bot interact between each other to ensure that the list of tasks can be accessed from either platform.
So now I'll just be going over the Discord bot. When initially run, it sends out this message to be edited throughout the code. The bot's prefix is a dash, and this allows you to run any command using dash and then the command. So the first command we're going to use is dash help. This lets us see all the commands. These commands over here allow you to add tasks, add headers, and delete them as well. So if I were to do add header following the syntax, and I say a course code for example, as you can see, course code is going to be added as a header, and I can add as many headers as I want. So math 1090, and it adds another header. I can also add tasks to these headers, so add task ECS 2032, and I'm going to add the task of assignment 1. It's going to add a red text to ECS 2032, and this signifies that the task is incomplete. I can also add as many tasks as I want, so if I do math 1090 test 1, and I can do task test 2, you can see that a bunch of tasks are now being added to the list. I can also bring the list to the front using bring list, as seen in the help command, and this just brings the list up to the front to be seen better. You can also check off the tasks using check task, and then you type in the header name and the task that you want to check off. So if I do this, it will now change the task to green, signifying that it has been completed. I can also uncheck the task if I didn't complete it and that was a mistake, and I'll uncheck it. You can also delete the list if you would like to, so delete list, and this would just delete the list and restart it. So you can also set reminders using this bot. So if I were to type reminder and then a time, so I'm just going to use 1 second, and the message of the reminder, I'm just going to say deadline. What it will do is that in 1 second, it will set a reminder saying deadline, and it will remind me that the deadline is approaching or has approached, and also give me a random link that will either help me solve procrastination, get better grades, how to do better in your studies. It just helps you mentally with academics. So this is just a brief explanation of the bot. You can also delete tasks and header over here. It's pretty straightforward.
This is Team SEG's website. And so first of all, here's our home screen, and then we can go right into login, where each user should log in to access the website. And it automatically redirects them to the task menu screen. And so here we can see that we already have a few tasks started from earlier, which are all posted inside of the Discord bot. And so if we wanted, we can easily add our own course or another header, and we submit, and bam, it's automatically filled in. And then if we go ahead and do our bring list command to bring it to the front, we see that we now have our new header in the Discord bot. And say we wanted to add a new task in the website, we'll simply select our header that we wish to add the task to, and we add our task, submit, it's automatically added here, and then we can go ahead and use our bring list command to bring it down, and our task is now added. And now let's say we're done, we can just simply go ahead and click the logout button, and it takes us back to the menu screen.
We encountered many challenges during this competition. First, we couldn't find a way to communicate between Discord bots and the website. Also, we had problems trying to establish a database for storage for users, and a lot of runtime errors due to the virtual environment for Flask. And Flask itself was a problem because we didn't know the language. But we're also really proud that we established this communication between the Discord bot and the website. And also all the debugging skills we acquired because of the programming, and we learned how to make a Discord bot, and also the Flask programming language itself. Now, what's next for the Duebot? For the Duebot, we're thinking of adding a database for users, so all of the lists will be unique to for specific users. Right now, The list works as a Discord server whole, but it doesn't have unique instances. We want to apply these instances using SQL and databases. That's why we use Flask, so we can work from there and build unique lists. We also want to implement a better website that looks better and have more options and more command lines for the Discord bot.
We've reached the end. Thank you for watching our video on our Duebot. This is our team, and we thank you for watching.